All right, well, hey, thanks guys for dropping in on us. We're here today with the Chutter family, and we're here to observe how they actually went through the process of building their own home, and we're going to give everyone an opportunity to learn how to do the same.
And Adam, you and Andre and Sam, you guys accomplished so much and built a magnificent home. It's definitely one of my favorite styles. Tell us about what inspired you and Andrea to design a home, and what would you call this style that you guys have designed?
I think we'd kind of call it a mountain lodge style, maybe with a little more contemporary feel. And that was kind of our dream. We wanted to build a house in the mountains, but we couldn't find as many mountains here in Houston as we'd like. So we found Bender's Landing, which was wooded, and we ended up going with a mountain-style home within the woods, and that was our goal to accomplish that.
And it seemed like every time we stopped by, you guys were just having a blast. And,
we had a blast doing it. It was fast, and it took a little bit of effort on all the parts. My wife Andrea, my son Sam, and I, we did a lot of extra work, you know, being here as much as we could, but we got it done. Five months and 4 days from slab to move in.
Job well done, and especially the outside area. It's my favorite part of the house. The view that you've got in the back, and you've even got something special, you know, that you can, when you're sitting on your porch, you can observe. So tell us a little bit about that.
Oh yeah, we had a little extra built for Sam back there. Every boy needs a tree house, so we were able to put a tree house back there. The neighbors call it our deer stand, but we at least get to get up there and do a little lunch and some picnic family time up there. It's been great.
Tell us a little bit about the overall process. You know, how did it go for you, and what did you like most about it?
We felt that it was very simple. We started with the classes. I started with the classes, and about 20 minutes into class number 1, I texted my wife and said, "We're in big trouble. We're going to do this." And we went home and talked about putting our house on the market, sold our house, and got started fairly quickly with our designer, Jorge. He was extremely easy to work with, and we consider him family. He's helped us through quite a bit of stuff. We had some concrete ideas, but he was able to fill in the gaps, and he was extremely patient with us when he needed to be. And Chuck was our designer, like you said, and we had a great experience working with him as well.
Now, I'm ready to take a walk around the house and show everybody what a wonderful job you guys did. We're here with Sam Chutter, who really was the mastermind behind this whole project. Sam, what was your favorite part about the construction process?
When we were framing, because we could see the actual house and the walls and what it would look like, the shape.
What did you learn during the building process?
I learned what it's like in stages, what the stages are in order, what everything's made from.
Did you design that tree house out there?
Yes, I just hang out, do picnics, eat.
Sam, talk about what your favorite room in the house is.
Probably the game room, because we can play pool, we can play games, chill and have fun.
Sam, you got an awesome room here. What's your favorite part of it?
Definitely my secret room.
I can't even see the secret room, Sam. You're gonna have to show us where it is. It's secret.
That's why.
I've been in this house 10 times at least, and I haven't been able to locate it. So.
Good. Do you think there's a button I can push that folds up the couch and there's a staircase I can walk down? Nope. Do you think it's behind the TV? Nope. I'm not telling.
So one day you think you're going to build your own house?
Definitely.
Tell us your favorite features of the house.
I think the most prominent favorite feature we had designed, which Jorge was in agreement with right from the beginning, was when you come in the front door that you see the vaulted ceiling from your first vantage point, and it should extend all the way out to the back patio. So that's what we tried to accomplish.
When you walk in that front door, not only can you see through all your doors, but then your eyes are immediately going to go up to the designer windows, I call them, and then you get that complete view of not only all of the big tall trees on the outside of the house, but also that your wood treatment that you've got on the ceiling. It's spectacular.
Well, we kind of felt like the wall of windows was a nice way to bring nature kind of inside for us and give us a chance to feel like we're living in the woods. We needed to build a wine grotto. We have a particular taste for wine, so we weren't sure how to accomplish that, but we knew we wanted a drop-down wine grotto, so Jorge designed that for us, and we ended up with this rock wall with a special entrance.
Just to point out, you know, you've got over 600 square feet of, you know, really outdoor living. So that's almost like adding 600 square feet to inside your house, because that just flows so well. It's like part of your home.
It does. It feels like it's inside, and we use it enough to consider it inside of our home. A couple of features that we found during the design phase, you know, it was typically flipping through magazines to get ideas, and one of the things that really caught our eye was sliding barn doors. So we were able to get those custom made.
There's been quite a competition between you and another one of our clients on the size of your garage.
We needed to get some things besides vehicles in the garage. We wanted to maybe put a boat or a small camper eventually. So we ended up having one of the doors in the garage oversized, and then the ceiling, the corresponding ceiling, was also raised in there too.
You have almost 1,500 square feet of a garage space, so I think it's ample.
We do too. Thank you.
And you even have, it looks like a workshop potentially back there also.
There's a little workshop hidden behind all that, and it's just one of Jorge's little designs. You know, he's able to make maximum use of space for us, and he did that all over the house.
And you've got some step-ups into some of the rooms. That's some pretty unique features.
We did. We saw some houses during, you know, model home tours or in magazines where the study might be floating or elevated, and we were able to get our study 2 levels up, so a step plus another step into the study, and then for our game room we were able to raise that up a level as well, just to give the house a little bit of dimension, a little bit of elevation change once you're inside the home.
I think the kitchen is magnificent. I believe Andrea did a fabulous job designing that kitchen, and I really like the contrast between the stained material and the paint grade material. You still have that mountain look, but it's not too dark.
You were special to us, and Sam's been special to us through the process. So it's been fun seeing your house come to come to the final conclusion of being a beautiful home. Okay, thank you guys for joining us today. We've certainly enjoyed showing you what some of our clients have been able to accomplish using our program. And they've not only used our consultants and the architects, but they also depend heavily on our office manager.
Right, I'm Kelly, and I'll be happy to assist you. So if you want to give us a call at 281-252-6100, we'll be happy to assist you.
Thank you for joining us today. It was a pleasure to have you with us. We're certainly looking forward to visiting with you in our office. If you have any thoughts of building a new home, we are the company for you. We can help you save more money than any other builder in Houston. Come see us. We're here to help you.